What's up, guys? I'm pretty sure you guys know by the title of the video and the thumbnail. I'm gonna be installing a downpipe on this F10. I did get a muffler delete yesterday, so they took off the mufflers. Right there. Right there. I kept the OEM tips because I do want to change the rear bumper. So once I change the rear bumper, I'll get new tips on it. I picked up this downpipe out in LA from some warehouse, so that's good. I didn't have to wait for shipping or anything. They allow pickup, so I just picked it up. I'll be showing you guys how to put it on. Honestly, I don't know myself. I have seen a couple videos on it, so I'm gonna try it out. The welds look nice on it. It's pretty good quality. It is pretty light as well. These two bungs are for the O2 sensor. There's one right there. The other one's right there. It does flex.
Stop it. Get some help.
I just removed this plastic cover for better access. It gives me more space. Gotta get that bolt out on the flange. And then there's this bracket right here holding it. And the other one is back there. Right there. Once that's out, it's ready to come out. I took out the cat with the O2 sensor, so I know where they go. So I'm gonna be putting that one right there, and that one right there. I just slid the downpipe on from down here. Just gotta get the V-band on up there. And I'm gonna bring it, and this bolt goes in here. O2 sensors are on already. And that should be it. This part just slid on. Just gotta tighten that one. Get that V-band on. V-band's on. That bolt's on. Right here it doesn't fit. It's still loose. So I'm gonna have to get it welded there. I just dropped the car and finished installing the downpipe, as you guys saw. I just realized though, before I start the car, I didn't get a before sound test because I didn't want the car to get hot while I was doing that. So I'll throw in a clip right here. So as you guys saw, after the muffler delete, it still wasn't that loud. I wanted it a little bit louder, that's why I did the downpipe. Either way, I was gonna do the downpipe, but I'll show you guys how it sounds right now. You can hear the turbo spooling up now. It's a lot louder now. You couldn't even hear it before. Sounds sick. I'm gonna go around the block so you guys can hear from the outside first, and then I'll bring you guys with me so you guys can hear from the inside. Hopefully it doesn't pick up too much wind. I don't know if you guys can hear the spool, but it sounds a lot louder now. I know I didn't record as much on the downpipe install, but that's just because it's me by myself and it's kind of hard doing everything and holding the camera at the same time. But if y'all like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already to stay updated with the truck build and this build if you guys want to see more content on it. Thank you guys for watching.